What's up, guys? So I figured I would do a little 3-month update video on the just the state of the ceramic polish and how I think it did on the lips, longevity wise, and just give you kind of an insight on what I think about the product. Obviously it's just like a normal metal polish, but it adds the ceramic protection, which is going to give you a lot easier cleaning ability when it comes to cleaning the wheels or whatever you're putting it on. Obviously when you have wheels, they get the most amount of brake dust and all that stuff on it. I noticed while washing the car the other day, when it comes to the water beading, it definitely helped on the water beading. It definitely made it a lot easier to clean the wheels. So it only takes me about 5 minutes to clean each wheel, but I just noticed the water properties when I was washing the wheel. It pretty much just, with a nice stream, it pretty much just knocked off any of the debris that was on the actual polished surface. Of course, this isn't a super long test on how long it's been on, but I think a 3-month little update is pretty good. So yeah, obviously you can see just as shiny as it was when I first did it, if I can get out of the light. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update on what I think about the product and if I think it's worth it, over a traditional like Mother's polish. These lips, like I said, weren't in terrible condition, so when I did it, it definitely brought back a lot of that polish and gloss, giving me like a little bit more glossy look on the polish itself, which is more closer to like having a chrome wheel or a chrome lip. And another thing, when it comes to having this on whatever surface you're doing it, it's something that you can do to kind of preserve it. You can either use like the Griots 3-in-1 ceramic and kind of spray that on there and then wash it off kind of like as a drying aid, or what I do is I'll go ahead and do a contact wash on the car and then I'll just go ahead and spray it down with the Griots ceramic washing coat, and that kind of helps keep up that base layer of the ceramic that's on the lips. Like I said, the wheels have already been ceramic coated, but that kind of just I wouldn't say reinvigorates, but kind of just extends the period of how long the ceramic protection stays on the surface that you're putting it on. So overall, really happy with it. Works really nice. Comes out really easy. Doesn't some metal polishes, all of them are really messy, but some of them you gotta really put some elbow grease into to get the compound back off the surface, and I really haven't ran into that with this. So just want to do a kind of little update on what I thought about the product over traditional normal ceramic polishes, because I'm pretty sure, as far as I know, this is the only ceramic polish that you can probably get like in store. I'm not really sure. I'm not really polishing too much, but just around locally, I haven't really seen any other kind of ceramic infused metal polish. So just want to kind of give a little update video and what I think about the overall product. So if you guys want to check out the original video when I first did the lips, I'll leave that link down below and a little bubble or whatever at the top. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video.